Heidi is a 25-year extension wearer and my kind of gal. She came in with 2 rows of braid sew-in method that was too strong for her soft Caucasian hair. I did an embedded removal and converted her to the hand-tied method because it's the least damaging to her natural hair. Normally I can remove 3 rows of hand-tied method in 30 minutes. In this situation, it took me 45 minutes to remove each embedded row. It's super important to go with a certified stylist. Here you can see how dreadlocked her natural hair is with the string. I use little snips and special tools to remove the material without damaging her natural hair. The good news is that Heidi had beautiful, strong hair, so once removed, I did a deep treatment and reinstalled newer, healthy hair. Here is my process. Second row. First row sewn on. Results. I used 8 wefts of 18-inch hair in the color Butterscotch Blonde. Heidi loved her results. If you're in the San Diego area, come see me for your extensions. You can get started by booking your consultation online. The information is below.